Hi everyone, we'll be unboxing today iPad Pro. The new one just came out today. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside of this new box. As you can see right here, 64GB, the Wi-Fi and 4G model. Let's see what's inside of the box. Here's all new iPad Pro. Man, the camera is big, just like iPhone XR. You can see right here. It's pretty cool. That's how it's wide. A little bit thicker than the older ones. No more home button. It's completely. Let's turn it on. Let's see what's inside of the box. Manuals, probably stickers, manuals, little stuff, and there's a charging thing and a USB cable, and that's it. So just plain stuff. Yeah, there's no more home button, just like iPhone. Just like iPhone X now. So just pick whichever. It looks nice. A little bit thicker than the older ones, but it looks nice. You can kind of see fingerprints after using for a little bit. They come pretty easy on the space gray, as you already see. I just used it for a little bit, and you already can see fingerprints. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.